Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on locating primary sources. This tutorial will demonstrate how to identify primary sources, as well as how to locate them online. So, what are primary sources? Primary sources are first-hand accounts or original materials created either at the time of an event or by someone who experienced the event. Some examples of primary sources are diaries, letters, audio recordings, speeches, memoirs, research notes, or artifacts. Primary sources are often housed both virtually and physically in libraries, university archives and special collections, museums, and government archives. A lot of institutions scan and digitize their collections, and many of them are accessible to the public online. For example, the Library of Congress website, which is loc.gov, gives users open access to a number of primary source historical documents. If I select Digital Collections from the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, I'm taken to a page linking to primary sources from various periods in American history. If I'm researching a particular event, like the American women's suffrage movement, when women campaigned for the right to vote, I can type the keywords women's suffrage into the search bar in the top right corner of the screen. This search gives me primary source materials from the American women's suffrage movement that I can access digitally. Sometimes, even a simple Google search can help you find relevant primary sources. Let's say I'm researching the poet Emily Dickinson. I will type Emily Dickinson primary sources into Google's search bar in the center of the web page. Looking through my results, I'm keeping an eye out for museum, university, or library sites, as those are most likely to have primary source content. I will select Harvard University Library, which takes me to Harvard Library's Emily Dickinson collection, much of which is available to the public online. Through this online collection, I can access Harvard Library's scans of Dickinson's handwritten poems. You can also access primary sources in Shapiro Library's databases. On the Shapiro Library homepage, you can select A to Z database list from the Quick Links menu in the bottom left corner of the page. Then, click on the bar at the top of the page that says All Database Types. From the drop-down menu, select Includes Primary Sources. This revised list of databases will allow you to choose a database that offers access to primary sources. It's helpful to keep in mind that where to look for primary sources largely depends on your topic. Sometimes a government source, like the Library of Congress, might be the right place to look. Sometimes a university special collection might have what you're searching for. It all depends on the subject matter. If you have any questions about primary sources, feel free to reach out to our library team via chat on the Shapiro Library homepage or by email at ask@snhu.libanswers.com. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck with your research.